Hold up. Alright, back. Are you there? Dude, how did he glitch in here? Dude, he's not even in my faction. He's in Hero. Oh, what the hell? He isn't in. Oh my god. Dude, look, he's C-egging everything. Even, what the hell is this? Are you recording this? Dude, are you recording this? Dude, he's a glitcher. He got in the base somehow. And now he's... No, I can't get down there. I'm stuck up here. I don't have a claim down there. And dude, I think he's, how? He has... Dude, he's already used like 15 creeper eggs. Dude, oh my god. Please say you're recording this. The fuck is this shit? Oh my god. Dude, he's used so many creeper eggs. No. He's... No. Just keep recording just to, like, get more proof. Yeah, dude. Freaking glitchers. Oh my god. He's not even in the faction or... Where is he? Jesus. Dude, what the heck is this shit? I think is he spawning in? No, he's not. No, nobody is. Exactly.